Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So first of all, I hope that you all are doing very well. And yes, in this video, we are going to discuss about the cutoff for veterinary and also the documents that would be required at the time of NEET counseling for veterinary. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. First, let us talk about the documents required at the time of counseling. So, your counseling would start in about 1 to 1.5 months from now. Okay, so there is sufficient time for you to actually make a list of all the documents and prepare them and get them ready. And whenever the counseling dates would be announced, you should have those documents already prepared with you so that you do not have any last minute confusion or any panics. Okay, so that is why I am releasing this video beforehand. Fine. So the documents that I'll be listing, you need to have the original of that and also sufficient Xerox copies as well. So let's have a look at the documents required at the time of counseling. First, the admit card, then the score card, your 10th class certificate, 12th class certificate, and then carry at least 8 or on a safer side 12 passport size photographs. Then your caste certificate. Also, if you have applied for PWD category or if you have applied for EWS category, then in that case you need to present low income proof as well. Then moving on, your domicile certificate, proof of identity, that is Aadhaar card, migration certificate, transfer certificate, gap certificate, and character certificate as well. Okay, so all these things would be required. Make sure you have them prepared beforehand. Now let us move on to the expected cutoff for admission in veterinary through NEET 15% quota. For general category, it is about 500 marks. For OBC, it is 490 marks. For SC category, it is 420 marks. And for ST category, it is 390 marks. Okay, there can be plus or minus of 10 marks, and also you must be hearing in the news that there can be few changes in the counseling, but if those changes are applied from this time, then the cutoff is expected to go even lower. So yes, that's it for this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. If you found it useful, then do share this video with your friends. Also do follow Vet Visit on Instagram and Facebook as well. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to Vet Visit if you haven't already. And yes, I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.